Hey guys, it's Easter weekend, actually happy Easter, and we're back at the Cobb Barndominium. This will be a quick video. As you can tell in the video, things have changed, so we have the beam leveled, we have our loft support board that's cobbed in there. That's a 2x12 with the 2x6 sitting on top of it in the back, and that runs for 36 feet. It's not a 36-foot board, but I spliced it and everything. And let's walk this way a little bit so we can kind of see where I was just at. So there is just basically 2x12s. You know, I got them and started putting them in place. This area we're at right now, these are those handrails for the catwalk that I want to put in. With the width on this catwalk, it's about 5 feet wide. We'll have just over 1,000 square feet. I'll put some boards side to side across here, and then as you can see, it'll sit up on the shelf. I'm going to put a door there, and the door will open in towards us. And there'll just be a little coffee table out there and a chair. It'll be kind of have to be a little hobbit door because it's very short. There's a very short space between the roof and the floor over there. So let's come over here and we'll kind of look at where we were just now. This is basically the floor of the second-story bathroom. As you can see this way, this is one of our trusses right here. So this way, actually, as you look out of the house, I'm going to put a window in the wall. It's one of those European ones that kind of opens up to the side. And then that is the view of that catwalk we were just talking about. You see it goes across there. And we are completely done with the first story of the Cobb house. And now we are solely working on the second story. Almost every window has been gone over except for actually the ones here at the ends. And I think that's it. Some of our next projects, I'm going to do some boards here. This walkway here will end up just being scaffolding to work on the second piece of the wall as we go up here. I don't know if it comes across very well, but this area I'm standing in will be where the majority of the loft space is. The loft is taken up also by these trusses, so it makes it kind of hard to walk, but in each space there's about a 5-foot gap, and the ceiling is remarkably high. I mean, I can't even touch on this area. So we'll be finishing out some of this stuff, and I think that's it, guys. So thanks a lot for watching if you do. Subscribe and like if you're new. And that's it. Happy Easter, guys. Thanks for watching.